This video is to show how to use and get logged into PhotoBoothTemplates.com's Templates Manager software for Windows. The first thing you want to do is put in your email address and a valid order number from your account. Once you've done so, you will be brought into the PhotoBooth Templates or the Templates Manager software. And since you are just logging in for the first time, you will not have any templates and you will be prompted to sync. This will download all of your templates that you have purchased from us historically and make a local copy of that. The larger your library, the longer this can take. So do plan on giving this a little bit of time if you've been a long-time customer. And as things sync in, the grid will update with each new template that is available. Now that my sync is completed, you can see that all of my template purchases are now available. So the next step is the workflow is we keep a master copy of our templates and we work with client edits. So as each event you have coming up, as it's needed to be used, you will come in, you will make a duplicate, give it a meaningful name. It will, by default, put the date in front of the current name. So we'll go see what that looks like right here. So this just got today's date, which is December 6th, 2025. And it's just showing, what it is there. So from here, we can do a number of different things. We can open it right in Photoshop using the open button. We can export out the files to a zip file that we can move around. We can open up the readme.html file and we can delete it. One other thing just to show you real quick, you can select between Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. The app will then smartly detect and say, I need to open the templates.psd file using Photoshop, or I need to open the template.elements PSD file, and I will be using Photoshop Elements for that. So that if you're using Elements, come into settings, make that change. If you're using Photoshop, it does not matter. That is the default. You can also browse and log into the store straight from within the app. And as you make more purchases, you'll just click the sync templates. It will go back out, look for anything new, and download anything new that you have purchased during that time frame. So that is a quick overview of Templates Manager. I hope it is helpful to you.